Hey y'all, thanks for tuning into the channel. Back here again with you at the shop. I would, tell you I got a new race car trailer, but that's not the case. That's actually a buddy of mine's. Ryan loaned it to me, and let me tell y'all, it is slam full. Me and Pops have been wide open. So I haven't, I posted that nitrous plate video the other day. It's an older video, like a couple weeks, but we have been busy. See, there's enough weight in that trailer. Got a little bit of squat on the old dually, but I don't know if y'all can tell, there's a bunch of wood on that trailer. That's for the lean-to at the house. We're gonna build a 12 by 30 lean-to on the back of the garage, so we got some more room, get the four-wheeler out and the grills and patio furniture and all that mess, have a place to cook and get it out of the garage, so we got room for, you guessed it, more projects. But anyway, Carlos just dropped that off. It's gonna get full exhaust, stainless, and then I guess hard pipe the intercooler pipe in with some V-bands or however they want to do it. But he wanted to come drop it off. He had a dolly today, so he brought that by. But look at that old trailer. Thing's like 30 or 32 foot, I'm not sure, but it is slam full. There's the lumber for the house, but I'm fixing to walk in the shop. I tell you what, let me walk around the outside. Well, you can kind of get the effect of what's fixing to happen. Dad and I have been working, I think we started last weekend. I think I went and got the trailer from Ryan on Friday, and I think we started Saturday morning moving stuff out of the shop. So we got two big old piles on the slab outside. The trailer's slam full, and the shop is, the two corners by the big roll-up door are just piled up everywhere. Y'all are fixing to see it, but we're building a mezzanine in the front of the shop, y'all. A 16-foot wide, or well, 16-foot long from the front wall, 40-foot wide mezzanine. Not exactly that size, but I'll show you, because there's gonna be, we already had the bathroom and the shower. We're building a 12 by 12 foot, 10.5 inch office, which will have storage above it, and then two sections that are about 28 by 16 total. They're split with one wall. So anyway, fixing to show y'all. Let's check this out. Here we go, walking in the front door. So, wait, let me turn around. It'd be easier for y'all to see it that way. All right, action. All right, walking in the front door. Here we are. Pile of lumber, all that 3/4 plywood. I know y'all, yeah, that's it, excited. So we got a 4x4, 16-foot wall built. So it's gonna be 2x10s on top of the red iron, and we got to put braces up under it as well, and then 3/4 plywood on top of that. But you walk in the door, here's the office. Gonna have a door here. All right, walk in the office. So move the cabinet a little bit. Been having to move some conduit. Bathroom's still there. Window unit's gone. We'll patch that hole because there'll be a header setting on that. But you'll set in the office, have a couch and stuff, couple of windows. Gonna put a window unit there. We'll insulate it so we have air conditioning. But I should have been videoing this to start with, and we got this thing about getting started and working and not stopping. So we have framed 2 walls today. I had to go to Lowe's and pick my windows out, pick the door out, so I got the measurements for that. Built that wall, we built that wall yesterday? Okay, but y'all can see, so that trailer's full, and there's the old bar, got all this mess in the shop. We got a path to walk here, path to walk to the refrigerator, and then all this stuff piled up everywhere.
Out here too.
Oh yeah, out here too. And it's tarp. I think there's 4 or 5 transmissions in that pile, and all kinds of other parts and junk, intake manifolds, engine stands. Got some 8/8 Fords and a 10 bolt. There's 9 or 10 or 11 motors, well, blocks and heads, and a couple transmissions in there. All kinds of stuff. Datsun parts piled up out here. Tars. Oh yeah, we got some tars over there. And then there's the 2 pile of junk. Trailer's full. Tractor's over there. We've been moving lumber with it. Gonna use it to set motors and stuff up top once we get it built. Dad's S10. But it's gonna make a big difference. We're gonna have at least twice as much floor space as we had, if not more. I'll be able to go get the Datsun from Mom's house and stick it over here. It'll be up under the mezzanine. Probably gonna get when we get the lull rented to stand the steel up when we add the 40 feet outside, probably stick the little German car up there that's in the trailer. I don't know if I've put that on the channel yet. Got a little 2-stroke tiny German car, fit in the bed of a long bed truck. But over here will be all the tools, tool room. Probably gonna pegboard this whole side of this wall to hang tools and maybe little parts and stuff on. Build some shelves, workbench here. Gonna redo the top on that. Gonna bring that workbench that's right there back over here and redo it as well. Toolboxes will be in here. Maybe transmission jack and engine hoist, maybe engine stand, stuff like that. And then over here, there's enough room to put 1 car for sure, if it's a full size, and then you could put maybe 2 small cars. But it's 16 by almost 14, but the Datsun should fit in here. But anyway, guys, I figured I'd kind of show y'all what we got going on. Dad and I have been wide open working, but got it framed out, a couple of windows, and just kind of trying to make some progress. Go pick up, I think, 37 14-foot 2x10s on Monday, so that's gonna be fun, but should make a big difference. But figured I'd give y'all an update on the progress we're making. So we should have room in here to work on 2, maybe 3 cars at a time, and then obviously more storage and a lot better area floor space wise, that so we can be a little more productive. But get on some more customer cars and hopefully have time to work on some of our stuff. We're trying to get geared up. I'm gonna see if I can get kind of focused on working here and doing some more YouTube stuff and just hanging out. Anyway, appreciate y'all tuning in. Have a good one.